Hi, I'm Irene. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, then welcome. Today we are going to be making really delicious raspberry oatmeal bars. And I'm obsessed with these. They have these at Whole Foods and they're so good. And every week I find myself buying them and I'm like, I could just make these myself. So I basically just added all the ingredients that they have in the same bars at Whole Foods and just a little touch of something different. So keep on watching and we're gonna make these bars together. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start. So follow along with me. All of the directions and everything will be below, but I'm gonna be making these in real time. So we have a half stick of butter melted. I like to just go ahead and melt mine in the microwave before I do it, and that way it's so much easier. Make sure you get all that flour out of there. We have a half cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of rolled oats. So this stuff is really up to you. A little bit of salt sometimes just gives that little distinction of flavor. So I'm just gonna add 1/8 of salt and call it a day, but that's up to you if you want to add that or not. And now I just need 1/4 of baking soda, which I have right here. Add my 1/4 of baking soda. Okay, and we just need 1 teaspoon. So let's go ahead and throw that in, and we're just gonna mix this all up. So you get this really just like an oatmeal consistency. It smells really good. It smells like brown sugar, kind of like a brown sugar oatmeal if you've ever had that before. But it's definitely really thick. Just give that a good mix. And this is kind of what you get. That's what you get. Let's move on to step number 2. Okay, so let's go ahead and spray our pan so nothing gets stuck at the bottom. Make sure you get the sides. And I like to use these crackers. So I'm just gonna crumble up some graham crackers and then put that at the very bottom. Now you don't have to be a professional when it comes to this. Just kind of crack them up and then take something like the end and just kind of chop it. There we go. I'll use a wooden spoon and just chop them up. Now this would be easier if you do it on a cutting board, but to save time and dishes, this is what we're gonna do.